Okay, so what are triggers in cloud functions? So in cloud computing or cloud functions, triggers refers to the events or conditions that initiate the execution of a serverless function, right? So serverless function, what here means is, like, for example, those which are provided by the services like AWS Lambda, Google Cloud Functions, or Azure Functions, which are actually designed to run code in response to specific events without the need for maintaining servers, right? So triggers are events or conditions that invoke the execution of serverless function. Are defined when the function should run and provide the necessary context or data for the function to process. So let's take Google Cloud Function as an example here. We can actually use HTTP trigger, we can use cloud storage trigger, we can use cloud PubSub triggers, right? If we talk about the applications, then real-time data processing, automation and orchestration, webhooks and API endpoints, event-driven architecture, Internet of Things are some of the applications where triggers are used.